Is LibreOffice not opening on your computer? Whether nothing happens when you launch it, the application freezes, or it closes immediately, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix LibreOffice not opening in 2026. So let's get started. First, restart your computer. A temporary Windows or LibreOffice process may be preventing the application from launching correctly. Restarting can also clear background processes that may have become stuck. If LibreOffice still won't open, check whether a LibreOffice process is already running in the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Look for LibreOffice processes in the list. If one is stuck, select it and choose End Task, then try launching LibreOffice again. Take care before resetting anything, because custom settings, extensions, and other profile information may be affected. If LibreOffice still doesn't open, make sure you're using a current version. An outdated or damaged installation can sometimes cause startup problems. Download the latest compatible version from the official LibreOffice website or reinstall the application if necessary. Finally, restart your computer if you reinstalled LibreOffice, then launch the application again. If it opens normally, create a test document to confirm everything is working correctly. So if LibreOffice now opens successfully, the startup problem has been resolved, and that's how to fix LibreOffice not opening. Start by restarting your computer, close stuck processes, try safe mode, reset the user profile if necessary, and update or reinstall LibreOffice if the problem continues. Working through these steps one at a time can help you identify what's preventing LibreOffice from starting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.